Me still straight. Me still not eat no front. Me still not sex no bottom. How they not talk about them good qualities there? You know, you know landlord that say Foota to come out of them place.
Daddy, tell straight vibes you just meet the rum. Daddy.
Alright family, welcome back to our next episode of the Yard Jam TV channel. Yeah man, so now this episode we have a art review. We have Foota Hype, the Straight Nation boss. Yeah man, the G a defending name because since recently some people are carrying name and lean it up run one part. So I have to straighten it out. Also we have Beenie Man and all the Vybz Kartel tune and the dance. Check out that as well. Also we have the Bounty Rum, the new Bounty Rum on the market. Yeah man, when you see a little snippet you see what I go on. Also, we're going to look on an incident that take place with a tractor trailer overturned. Yeah, man, we have a lot to go through. So we're going to kick it off first with Foota Hype. Yeah, man, check it out.
The amount of people me hear attack. Oh, Foota this, Foota that, Foota this, Foota that. Zine? Remember, you know, them say, me live in a barber shop. Them say, me live in a car. Them say, but I get no date. Them say, oh, one new, they not new for say, man. Me still straight. Me still not eat no front. Me still not sex no bottom. How they not talk about them good qualities there? You know, landlord that say, Foota to come out of them place. You know, eviction. So them things they no count. Yeah, them things they don't count. Easy like Sunday morning, man. You know? Thank you, Hazel Eyes. What them fi understand, you know? You see, the speakers of truth and the defenders of righteousness will not have all the material things, you know, and will not have all the glamour and the glitter that catches the eye, but will be very, very, very great and have an abundance of blessings and good things where you can't see with your natural eye. You hear them tell us, and everything with glitter is gold. You hear that? So, we say, let them fall to their own demise, those who have risen against me, those who team up to try hurt the Lord's anointed or water down the Lord's anointed. You understand? Yeah. So, remember, everybody not gonna like me, because me not like shaky people. See? Me not work with doodle people. So all of that's the region there, and for them people, them not gonna like me. See? Remember, say me not eat front, me not support front eating people. So all of what eat front and for them following not gonna like me. Remember, say me not endorse our artists them are sing about sucking and threesome and the bag of nasty thing them. So the whole of them, we are do that and feed them audience and followers, not gonna like me. You understand? One thing me learn about life. One cocoa full basket. Me no red eye. Me nah go sell myself or lose myself. We have all of these abundance that the devil is giving to people to make them look like them are the big thing at the moment. I've been here for years. My boss from 2001. Now we're in a 2025. Me not easily frightened. Me not easily detracted. Them can't shoot me off of my pivot foot with them material things and all of what them I do. Me there And me I hold my course. And me I stay in that lane here where me there. And me nah switch up. Me nah switch up. Me love my mother bad. My mother always tell me, say, ban your belly. Hold your one. Some boy must feel like, say, hungry or brokenness could have made me lose myself if me did even broke and hungry. When me I got high school and my mother nah no money, she tell me the remedy of to stop hungry. My mother tell me the remedy of to stop hungry. She said, when you go to school, if you know make no money off of the sweetie them when me give you sell, buy a ice cement and drink water. And it go feel like your belly full. You hear me say to you? My mother say buy a ice cement and drink water with it. And it go make you feel like your belly full. So me now, in my big man stage, fi make true licky. People diss me. Fi make true licky. People walk by me. No. Nope. My granny used to always tell me, say, do not pay dear to go in high company. If me have to lose myself and take disrespect and violation if sit at the high table, me stand up a ground. Me will stand up a ground. Yeah. You understand? So me alright. When me hear people I say, people beat me bad. Sometimes, alright, you see internet, it proves to you say, whole heap of people illiterate. It proves to you say, whole heap of people don't know to differentiate what makes sense from what is garbage. It also shows you say, people bored and we accept anything as entertainment. See? When you say somebody beat somebody bad, how it makes sense when everything with them attack are illusion? The way me powerful, people tell themselves lie and believe it and speak upon it as if it's the truth. You ever see a man tell a lie, no lie him tell himself say the truth him then believe it and then turn around be him own audience and cheer for the lie when him tell when him believe say a true, when him act like say a true? Yeah, man? Wow. Crazy. Me there, remember, you know, them say the worst things them about me, you know. The worst things them say about me. But they are fired now approximately 7 years and no leave, see? Them say me don't live now, you know. Remember good. I mean say man, you know. Them say me not in a car. Them say me a walk foot. Then them say me live in a my car. So first me not in a car, then me live in a my car. First me live in a the barber shop. Then me live in a my car. Them don't know what they want about me, you know. Them say me have bracelet on my foot. Them say me not have a bracelet on my foot. Them say me a mad out. Them say me not mad out. Yeah. Me just know say, you see when you defend righteousness and you speak in the right way, people not gonna like you. People not gonna say yes, you are their more favorite person. You understand what I say? So, all of who you hear have me up, you know. Or anybody will hear them and say, oh, when I like Foota, when I deal, ask them what him do. How him did say again. And them would have wish if me would have never say nothing. You know? When them do fuckery, Foota no fi say nothing. You understand? And like today, me laugh, you know. Cause today, me see a comment from a page. So the boy I say, we don't know if a boy or a girl, but in the way how the comment right, I know a fake page. In the way how the comment right, the person I say, yeah man, I'm dying for them dip you and send you to Jamaica. I could run a rat race to fly your bat. So, he give me a little flashback, you know? And me I say, as a straight man, as a man who defend man and woman and defend so much moral values, right? How the energy to kill me is always so high. You never notice it? Every time me and somebody get in a disagreement, right? Like artists or public figure, anytime me and them get in a disagreement, the energy is always to kill Foota. Always to fly him back. Always to take him 3 points. But when me hear the shit in a play people them, this the same artist them, or this the same public figure. I mean, I diss them, you know, may I address the truth. Me hear people diss them. I'll tell them about them mother. Batty man tell them about them mother. Lesbian tell them about them mother. Me hear Batty man, I call them said artist a Batty man. And a lot of things. I mean, never hear them comment section or them following. I say them for dead. I mean, see them go to Jamaica and party and go up and sound and take microphone and talk and nobody know want to kill them. Shatter them gun now work them time there. The bad people them run the artists them knife now work them time there. Them hand freeze them can't cut nobody no box. But them can't wait to see me for take me 3 points. Why? Where's them all go jump carnival Jaii? Exactly. Me see Sprat with this artist wicked. Gala carnival in a G-string and thing. And nothing to do them. And nothing to do them. But somebody and Foota have a disagreement. Foota fi dead. Foota 3 points to take. So me I wonder. Sometimes make you wonder, you know. If them artists here and them entourage straight, it make you really wonder, you know. Them couldn't straight. Cause why you want to kill Foota? When Foota say something logical and truthful, while you have shit in a plate people, lesbian and batty man, and this the artist brawling. This the artist them brawling, tell them all about their mother, beating. And come to Jamaica and roam free. And go to all your regular events and roam free. Sasha, I me them post the most. Me tired to talk about this, man. You know, say I me them post the most. Alright. Me no come on live couple days. Me hear all black or ball affair. Them take me down all now. Me can't come on live. You know, reverse psychology, them I use, I try to tell me if I come live because them need little content. When me see me laugh, you know. I laugh. Me see all man a diss me when me never diss yet. Me never talk about them yet. Never mention them yet. Me see all man a cuss me and me no know them. Man we say them in a music and me no know them. First thing me have to tell you say, I me name Foota Hype. And me a selector, that means me no worthy, me no deserve for the players to talk about nobody. if me have to tell you who me is and what me do. That means that me are a part of this industry. I try forward in. But, you know, Jamaica was a mad place though. Let me ask you something. Doing a 9 to 5 is something wrong? I want to ask the comment section. Doing a 9 to 5 is something wrong? That to do no Prince Hakeem, when I think I hustle, me I hustle. Prince Hakeem said, but why you not trying to monetize your own content? You're hustling backwards. Me not hustle. And that's why, you know, see me I run down money. If me that run down the money, I would have to get up and talk about people who I don't want to talk about every day. I would have to mince my words. I wouldn't hold people accountable when them feel get all accountable. Because I would have to try beg friend and a kiss ass. Me not kiss ass. I say what I feel for say, how I feel for say it, when I feel for say it. And that are the difference with me and every other vlogger. Them a vlog for hustle and pay them bills. Me, where them say I dead for hungry and I have nothing. You know see me, I lose myself to get a shilling off of Instagram or nothing. And music me do. I mean alright with my 1-1 cocoa full basket. And that when you think me there hustle. You see me even not telling you for buying a badge? You see me even not telling you for buying a badge? Me hear one of them say me if you go over TikTok, come join them over TikTok and come beg. And that's some of them thing. But more I know what's wrong with 9 to 5. So, say times get really hard now. And we have to do a 9 to 5. Who shame if you do a 9 to 5? Someone has said, go do some work. Nothing would do wrong if me do a 9 to 5. Would I gladly do it. Would I gladly do it. If my life, if Jah choose say, my life, zine, I go certain way and make figure look at 9 to 5. Me wouldn't have no problem. Them never used to do 9 to 5. Before me become Foota Hype, the selector, the celebrity. Me used to do 9 to 5. Me used to work at Jade Garden, the waiter in work. Me used to work at hardware. Me used to work at thermoplastic. Someone know what the problem. Only a batty man mindset would have tell you say something wrong with 9 to 5. Only a man will love likes would have tell you say something wrong with a 9 to 5. Tell me the truth now. A man I say go look at 9 to 5 like a something wrong. Nothing wrong with 9 to 5. And this is America. America full of opportunity. And I own my own vehicle them. I can go deliver prescription. I can go do Grubhub or I can go do DoorDash. I can do Lyft. Anything. Anything. My brother in Rockers have a restaurant in Atlanta. Big up Rockers. I can go up there go wash 2 plates and fry 2 dumplings. My brother in Junior's King have big trucking company. I can go up and go load on 2 cars and do 2 things. So what me not understand, me not get it. Me not over so them I say. Me never know say doing a 9 to 5 is embarrassing. If me calculate most of the people them in the world, a 9 to 5 them do. And some people have 1 to 5, because some people own them own business. Alright, see Jazzy T say, Barbican Square can hire me right now. Alright, if no bookings not to go on and selecting not go on, me can go do review, food review, and just go be a restaurant, go consume food and review it. A Foota Hype, my name. But you know, people want project by your people want project by your what they would like see. You understand? They would like to see me can't find food. Them would have like to see me can't get no work. Them would have like to see me homeless. Them would have like to see me careless. Them would have like to see me at them doorstep a beg bread. But it will never happen. Britannia, me know if them not call me name, them can't get no visa. Watch how them are going to cut up this now and use it. And even if them not use it, them will go up on them live and talk about me. And talk about when me say or when me never say. I am the man. It can't happen. Lady enchanting, it can't happen. Me too blessed. You see me? And them love talk about, oh, Jamaica. Me live at Jamaica. Them money I go like me never live at Jamaica. How when me there at Jamaica, none of them never box me or lick me in my face or do nothing at talk. So me don't know when that I got happen. Man, I wish boy I do that when me go back at Jamaica. Me not say me can't get beat up or me can't. What? Y'all niggas know what the fuck you talking about. Y'all know you can't play with me. Right? If them so bad, man, if you just run across the border, man, and come beat up Foota. Cross the border and come beat me up, man. If it's so serious, man, swim, come cross. No, but Deaky Spliff, them don't want to talk about the plaque when me get. Them don't want to talk about none of the good things them when me go on with. Them don't want to talk about none of the good places when me play, none of the big event them when me play. Because when me talk about straightness and them things, that hurt them. When me talk about the hypocrisy within the music, it hurt them. When me tell some artists to clean up on the content, stop singing them so-called thing there. And them me have data. You understand what I say? When me say, yo, artists, now if you're gonna batty man show, because we have a picnic them and grow. At that, them hate me for a foot and I do them nothing. You know? More than stand up for straightness. You know? That's it. Nothing else me not do them. Me still play them music. Me still play them music. Which artist music me not play? Find them music good. But me I got hold them accountable when I do foolishness. And at that they hate me for. So guess what? If I that you not gonna hate me, if I continue hating me, because from God love me, alright, you know. From me I do the right thing, you know. In the eyes of the Almighty, me good, you know. Me see man forward and come tell the whole of dancers. Him, get him back and play with. The man say, him get him back and play with. And him have to ask himself, say, God, why do I love this? And me see, people still at arms and glove him. Man in the music was say them straight. Man in the music was say them a bad man. I say them a bad man DJ. And them woulda want Foota fi dead. But them woulda want the man we a batty man. We get him batty play with. Fi live. Just think about that, you know. Just think about that. And ear say, we ear say, somebody play the man bottom, you know. The man say it all the time, own a mouth. Say, him get him body play with and him like it. That's him affair ask God. Say, why him like this? Yeah, man. Like seriously? I'll block you. I mean, I hear nobody else say that boy they fi dead. Or that boy they shaky. Them I say me fi dead. And I see man post with him and take picture after that and cool with him and them thing there. So me just assure you, the righteous will not be favored by the multitude. You see me? Yeah, so true me is a man we burn it out and call it out now. Them not like me. Zin, them not like me, but hey, as what me I say, from me have life, me have roof over my head, me have food in my belly, me good. Me not have everything in the world. Me not have the most money in the world, and me not have the most vanity in the world. Me good. The Almighty want me have a reason, and that's why I'm there. And me not stop burning fire. And me not stop call out foolishness when me see it. So for that, make a plan for Clue Clocks Foota Hype, musically, I say go. When Gregory is asking one man against the world, me probably not even, me just hold my own, you see it? Kishema Francis from IRFM. You know me respect you and me rate you. You work for Irie and thing. Don't become like the vlogger them where me not too like the caption them where you're right. You're right them in a way like you style me neatly. But you do it like you just write a headline, but the headline are always swinging to styling me. Fix up that here. Me and you good and everything. Fix up that. Write your caption them in a way will make it make sense. Don't write them in a way like you need style me or you know? I kind of see it. And it happen over and over. Remember, me have a problem with you if you want to style me too, you know, but just do it brawling and just no bother make me a good there. But I have it say, he's a neutral person because he's a media house person, so you keep the thing neutral, but you look like you make the views thing you get to you. Because you write your caption them like a me, your style. You not write a neutral caption. You understand what I say? So I just shout you out still. You see me? Make you know. Because views are mash up the whole of people, boy, you know. Through them want to get views, you know. And them know say Foota the views God. Just talk about Foota and your views turn up. Just, you know? I saw them think. Yeah. So I watch you all of them, you know. I watch you all of them. You see me? Me not change my stance on righteousness for please nobody. Me nah go take no disrespect to please nobody. And me nah go, oh, yeah man, through that person I think up now, them are going to do fuck you and me nah go say nothing. Yeah man. And it just, but Sasha remember, ungrateful was that Obia. If I my content and my name, them I live pan fi get views, fi get money, and then them still a go diss me. I know me I go punish them, you know. Guess who will punish them? Guess who I go punish them? The Almighty, you know why? Can't bite you and feed you. Why you so invested in that money? It come like if money in one batty hole you don't want it. It come like if money in our abyss where you're not gonna come out and you dive down in there for the money and go dead. Come on, man. I know everywhere money they may go for it, you know. I know anywhere money they may go for it. Wanna stop when you not reason with me. Oh, over there so the money they go for it. The money over there so. I know so my mentality work. If I saw it there go, Foota Hype would have been 10 million times rich and have all of the vanities in the world. And couldn't hold up my head high when I go road. I would have to drink beer rum and junk every minute. So that's my conscience not ride my mind and kill me. Me not have to do that, dog. I can walk every day with my head high. I can't talk about anybody when I want to talk about because nobody knows a secret for me. That's the difference with me and them. And that's what I not understand. All them have money. And me have money too. I just not have as much money as them. But me have more blessings. And me have more dignity and more pride and more honor. And more stability than them. And me can walk with me higher than them. And them the boat and later run the place now. Escalate van where it come lock on the whole place. Nobody don't want to see it now. I dopey them use it care and rubbish. Don't make nobody frightened with material things. You hear that? No man now own the house same time as the next man. Different time, everybody own them things. So we not worry. We not fret. I go and burn the fire upon them nasty rascal, you see. And now stop burning up. Whether on an artist, media man, magala, public, defend, I don't care what it is, as long as we don't have public space on the fire yet. Fire! Suck on the mother. Big up my fans, them and my followers. Look, come on.
Alright, people, so that was Foota Hype there. Yeah, man. So if you stick to the whole live and you hear the GR reason, you just hear man make the people them know straight. So yo, him good with what him have, you see me? Him not kill up himself or nothing, and him still a burning fire, and him still a holding film hard, and you see me? I just film views that. Yeah, man, you can't really knock a man for that. If a man a pre say yo, that him believe in, and that him a film choice, you see me? So yeah, man, and him great with what him have. Him not really kill up himself as much as him say. Yeah, man. So you don't know, in recent times people are tell Foota Hype say you need to go look at work, and you need to go do this and you need to go do that, but the G just make them know say yo, him good, and if things really go bad, him can go all at work and do what he need to do. Him not a problem with that. Him name Foota Hype, you see me? So him good, him can hold it. All if it's a bicycle in my world, him a hold it same, you see me? Yeah, man. So we are gonna check out now Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel tune of the dance. Yeah, man, a neat little snippet, people. Check it out and tell me what you think. Alright, so that was Beenie Man there in the dance with Kiva, dancer diva. Yeah, man, legendary dancer too. So Kartel song a playing in the background, and them a whole a vibe same way, you know. That just shows you Beenie Man there have no bad vibes against Kartel or no local animosity, you know. Based on recent arguments, people are compare the two and say yo, who are the real king on the dancer, but even with that, Beenie Man still let music prevail, you get me? I love to see that, but just great that you see it. Yeah, man, so next up now I check out the truck incident where happened at the end of the highway there, so you can see that a truck overturned. So we're gonna check it out and see what really go on, you see me?
Look at that. No. Shoot me.
Right, so you see, so the truck overturned this at the end of the highway. Yeah, man, so enough people in disbelief to what them just witnessed, but ultimately nobody never gets seriously injured. I just spoilage happen to the goods with the transport. And if you notice, enough people run in and start take up cement and load up in a van back and thing, and yeah man, you don't know Jamaican get to work. Anything where travel and turn over, yeah man, once a goods we are gonna run in, you see. But we know people either run in and take a bag of cement or two, and if you do that, you're gonna carry it. You see me? Because you don't know cement heavy and thing. Alright, so respect for check out the video and stay tuned for a couple more episodes.